Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a poll on the Skype application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the chats icon down below, which is the first option, and after that select a contact from your list of contacts to whom you would like to send a poll. Click on its name, tap on the button, this plus icon down below in the left side corner, scroll down till you find the create poll option, click on it. Then you should type in your poll question. Then you should select whether you would like to allow selecting multiple options. Click on this circle to put a check mark into it. Then select the expiration date. You should select the exact date and time. Press on the done button down below, and you should provide options to that question. If you are done with it, press the button create a poll, and as you can see the question itself, and after there are the two options that you have provided to your addressee, so meaning that him or her can simply answer your question by clicking on the relevant one. And then if you click on the view details option, you are going to see the responses here at the bottom. So you should send it to others if you feel like to do so. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.